Getting razor burn, nicks, or cuts when shaving? Here's some tips on how to minimize irritation and get the best shave for your sensitive skin. First, hydrate your skin and facial hair. Shaving during or after a warm shower softens hair and allows the razor to glide more easily. Use a facial scrub or wash to remove oil, dirt, and dead skin. Use a high-quality shave gel, foam, or cream designed for sensitive skin. Lather and spread it all over to help protect against irritation while you shave. Let the gel soak in before you start. Most importantly, use a razor designed for sensitive skin, like the Gillette SkinGuard, with patented technology that ensures the blades shave hair while guarding skin. Check your blades before you start shaving. Dull blades can cause tug and pull and lead to irritation, burn, or rash. Shave with light, gentle strokes. Be careful not to re-stroke the same area too much, as this can cause irritation. Rinse the blades often and reapply shave gel as you go. Facial hair grows in many directions. Try to shave in the direction that feels most comfortable. Use the single blade precision trimmer on the back for shaving hard to reach places, like under your nose. Save the most sensitive parts of your face for last. When shave gel has more time to soak in, the hairs become softer and easier to cut. Wash your face with cool water and pat it dry. Rub in a hydrating aftershave to replenish moisture and soothe your skin. Click here for more tips on shaving with sensitive skin. Tell us your tips on getting a comfortable shave in the comments.